Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to send order confirmation emails in Odoo. So to send that in this platform you need to configure outgoing email services or servers and enable automated sales order email templates. So actually guys, at first you will need to configure the outgoing email server. So before Odoo can send emails, configure the SMTP settings. So you will need at first to go with the settings right here below, and then go with the technical option that you can find the top bar. And here you will need to scroll and navigate to the emails tab or section, and then go with outgoing mail servers. So here guys, where you can configure your provider. So the provider name, the Gmail, the Outlook, the custom domain, and the field, the SMTP server, the ports, the connection security, username, password, etc. Okay, and then just go and save and test the connection. And as you can see right here, it says the default outgoing email server is already configured. So you should not create an alternative one unless you really want to use a specific external outgoing email server for technical reasons, right? So you should have a technical reason to create a new one. Otherwise, the default one is already configured. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.